Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet leaf earrings and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will use Rico Essential Crochet yarn and hook number 1.6 millimeter and a rings hook. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make a magic ring as shown now. Then make 7 chains. And make double crochet into the magic ring. Then make 3 chains and make triple crochet into the magic ring. Then make another 3 chains and make another triple crochet stitch into the same magic ring as shown now. Then make 5 chains and make triple crochet stitch into the magic ring. And make 3 chains then make triple crochet stitch again. And make 3 chains and make another triple crochet stitch again. Then make 7 chains and make single crochet into the same magic ring to have 7 spaces at the end of that round. Then start round 2. I will make a chain and make single crochet into the first space. Then make 11 double crochet stitches into the first space, into the same space as shown now. Then I will go to the second space. Then I will make 5 double crochet into the same space as shown now, into the second space. Then make another 5 double crochet stitches into the third space as shown now. Then I will go to the fourth space, so I will make 4 double crochet stitch into the fourth space as shown now. Then make 2 triple crochet stitches into the same space. Then make another 4 double crochet stitches into the same space as shown now. Then make 5 double crochet into the fifth space and 5 double crochet into the sixth space. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will make 11 double crochet stitches into the last space as shown now. 11 double crochet stitches, then half double crochet, then single crochet into the same space. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will make a chain and join it with the first chain of that round. Then make slip stitch and cut our yarn and fasten off. Then join the earrings hook as shown now. Now I finished crochet relief earrings and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible.